Good afternoon, my dear students. How have you been? Today we have a grammar lesson. Our grammar lesson is about linking verbs. But in the beginning, we're going to revise the meaning of verbs. What's the meaning of verb? That verb is a word that describes an action like run, jump, kick, eat, cook, or cry. All of these are action verbs. But today we're going to talk about a different kind of verbs. So let's start. What's the meaning of verbs? The verb is a word that shows the action or a state of being, like dreaming, studied, running, thinking, dance, or vote. So the action verb express physical or mental action. Dreaming, running, dance, studied, thinking, and vote. Okay, here are some examples of the action verbs in sentences. Here we have Greg is kicking the ball now. Kicking is the action verb. It describes what Greg is doing. The wind blows constantly in Chicago. So where is the action verb? The action verb is blows. The word blows or the verb blows is describes what the wind does. The third sentence here, he accepted my apology. Accepted is the action verb. The word accepted describes what he did, because here we have ed, so it's in the past. So when we use the action verb, the sentence structure will be subject. What's the meaning of subject? That means who the sentence is about. After the subject, we have the action verb, AV, that's mean action verb. Then we have the rest of the sentence. Let's complete. Now we're going to talk about linking verbs. What's the meaning of linking verbs? The linking verb is a verb that links or connects the subject of the sentence to information about that subject. Like when we say the boy is smart or the scientists are clever or they are very smart. So the linking verb in these sentences is and are. So let's take some examples about the linking verb. But in the beginning, what's the meaning of linking verb? The linking verb is a verb that expresses a state of being. The linking verb connects or link the subject to a word or a group of words that identify or describes the subject. Information about the subject. So we're going to start with the subject. Then here we have the linking verb. Then we have information about the subject. So what's the meaning of linking verb? The linking verb links or connects the subject to information about the subject. Today we're going to talk about the most common linking verbs. Verb to be, we call them verb to be. So what are the verb to be? The verb to be are am, is, and are. What's the past of am and is? The past of am and is was. The past of are is were. So here we have 5 linking verbs. Am, is, and are, they are in the present tense. What is the past of am and is? Was. What is the past of are? It's were. Here are some sentences, but before the sentences, I forgot. We must know when we have to use am, is, and are. What should I choose with this subject? Let's see. If we have the subject I, let's write them. If we have, or I already write them before. Let's let them appear here. Okay. If I have the subject I didn't write him here. Okay, I thought I wrote them. So if we have the subject I, we're going to use the linking verb am with it. So I am. What's the past of am? It's was. So we're going to say I am or I was in the past. If we have he, she, it, or singular subject. What's the meaning of singular subject? Like when we have one person, one boy, one girl, one animal, or one thing, we called it singular subject. Okay, if we have he, she, or it, or singular subject, he, she, it, or singular subject, we're going to use the linking verb is. Let me arrange them here. I wrote them in the next slide. I prepared them. I didn't write them actually. But here, if we have he, she, it, or singular subject, we're going to use the linking verb as. What about you, we, they, and the plural subjects? If we have the subject you, we, they, or if we have a plural subject, we're going to use the linking verb are. And what's the past of are? It's were. So we're going to use are and were with you, we, they, and the plural subject. And here we said we're going to use is with he, she, it, and he, she, it, and singular subject with is and was. The past of is was. And what's the past of am? It's was. So is and am or am and is have the same past tense. So I am, I was. He is, she is, it is. He was, she was, it was. You are, we are. They are, and plural subjects are or were. You must memorize these subjects and linking verbs. So what's the past of am and is? Was. What's the past of are? Were. So all of these are linking verbs. We call them verb to be. Okay, here. I am, we, you, they, and the plural subject with are, he, she, it, and singular subjects with is. What's the past of am and is? Was. What's the past of are? Were. Here we have some examples. The ball is red. The ball is the subject. Is a linking verb. Red is more information or information about the ball. What's the color of this ball? It is red. So the ball is red. The word is a linking verb. It links the subject to the word red and its information about the subject. The children are smart. The children is the subject. Are is the linking verb. And smart is adjective, but it's information about the subject. So if we will use the linking verb, the structure of the sentence will be subject, linking verb, then more information about the subject. They can be noun, adjective, adverb sometimes. So let's take more examples. I am happy. Where is the linking verb? Am is the linking verb. You are scared. Are is the linking verb. He is small. Is the linking verb. And I want you to concentrate about the subject and the linking verb. I am. You are. He is. I, subject, am, linking verb. You, subject, are, linking verb. He is a subject, is a linking verb. She is the subject, is the linking verb. She is surprised. It is brown. It is the subject, is the linking verb. The dog is black, is the linking verb. The dog is the subject, is the linking verb. Black here, it's adjective, but it's not important because it's important, of course, but we will not talk about it in our lesson. So our lesson today is about linking verbs like am, is, are, and the past of am and is was. The past of are is were. I was reading. Was is the linking verb. You were very angry with me 2 days ago. Were. The school bus was late. Was. So here the word late is information about the school bus. It was rainy yesterday. Was is the linking verb. The book was very interesting. Was is the linking verb. This book is the subject. Here linking verb. Then we have more information about the subject. My granny was born in Russia. Was is the linking verb. The linking verb connects or link the subject to more information about it. Thank you for listening and goodbye.